Hi everyone, here at Stolen Stitches we wanted to wish you all a happy holidays and we'd like to give you a special early holiday gift. This is extra special because it's a gift that you can also pass on to others, so it's kind of a gift that keeps on giving, so to speak. So what we're doing this week from the 22nd of November until the 29th of November, when you purchase a workshop or a video class from us for yourself, we will then give you another class that you can send on to someone else. So what happens is you go in, you buy it, then you'll automatically get an email and you can let us know who you want to send the gift on to and their email address. So you can maybe perhaps pick the same classes you've already picked yourself and do a little mini knit along with your friend. Or you might know that they've got different interests and you decide to go get something different. Or perhaps you'd even like to get a second class for yourself. Totally okay to go gift yourself as well. That is a valid option. So come on in and follow the link and go join in with our very teachable workshops and give yourself an early holiday gift.